Hey everyone, welcome back to Freedom Hustle 1, your go-to channel for financial freedom, smart investing, and making money work for you. If you're an aspiring angel investor or just curious about where to put your money in 2025, this video is for you. Stick around because we'll break down the top high-growth sectors that offer the best opportunities for angel investors in the coming year. Let's dive in. Introduction to Angel Investing. Before we jump into the best sectors, let's quickly define angel investing for those new to the concept. Angel investors provide capital to early-stage startups in exchange for equity, betting on their future success. Unlike venture capitalists, angels usually invest their own money rather than pooled funds. The goal: get in early, take on some risk, and potentially see massive returns if the startup succeeds. Top sectors for angel investing in 2025. Artificial intelligence and automation. Host. It's no surprise, AI is revolutionizing industries. Startups specializing in AI-driven automation, machine learning, and AI-powered SaaS are exploding. AI is expected to contribute $15.7 trillion to the global economy by 2020. Key areas: AI-driven customer support, automation tools, AI-generated content, and robotics. Hot startups: OpenAI, Anthropic, and smaller niche AI startups solving real-world problems. Renewable energy and climate. Tech with global sustainability goals in focus. Clean energy and climate technology are attracting massive investments. This includes solar tech, battery storage, carbon capture, and hydrogen fuel solutions. The renewable energy market is projected to grow to $1.9 trillion by 2080. Government incentives are driving demand for green startups. Hot startups: Tesla spin-offs, battery innovations, carbon credit platforms.
Healthcare and biotech innovation. Advancements in biotech and healthcare are changing lives. Areas like telemedicine, personalized medicine, AI-driven diagnostics, and gene therapy are hot investment zones. The digital health market alone is expected to hit $1 trillion by 2028. Wearable tech and AI in diagnostics are game changers. Hot startups. Companies developing AI-driven drug discovery and personalized healthcare. Fintech and decentralized finance. DeFi finance is being transformed by blockchain, digital banking, and decentralized finance. DeFi. The global fintech market is projected to reach $310 billion by 2025. Sectors like crypto payment solutions, decentralized lending, and blockchain security are booming. Hot startups. Web3 wallets, AI-powered trading bots, and smart contract security firms. E-commerce and direct-to-consumer (DTC) brands. The e-commerce industry is not slowing down, it's evolving. Startups that focus on DTC brands, AI-driven personalization, and fast delivery logistics have massive growth potential. E-commerce sales are expected to hit $8.1 trillion by 2026. Big opportunities: subscription-based models, AI-driven product recommendations, and sustainable brands. Cybersecurity and privacy tech. As cyber threats increase, cybersecurity startups are one of the safest investments in 2025. Cybercrime damages are projected to hit $10.5 trillion annually by 2025. Growth in zero-trust security, AI-driven threat detection, and privacy-focused tech is massive. SpaceTech and Aerospace startup. Space isn't just for NASA anymore. Private companies are pushing innovation in satellite technology, asteroid mining, and space tourism. The commercial space industry is projected to hit $1.4 trillion by 2040. Areas like low-orbit satellites, space infrastructure, and AI-powered space data analytics are key. Hot startups. SpaceX competitors, satellite communications, and space mining tech.
How to start as an angel investor. Excited about these industries? Here's how to get started with angel investing. 1. Join angel networks. Platforms like AngelList, Seed Invest, and Republic offer great deal flows. 2. Do your research, understand startup valuation, market potential, and founder credibility. 3. Diversify investments, spread your capital across multiple sectors. 4. Think long-term, most startups take 5 to 10 years to see an exit. 5. Network and learn, attend startup pitch events, talk to other investors, and keep learning. Conclusion and call to action, and that's a wrap. These are the best sectors for angel investing in 2025, from AI and clean energy to biotech and space tech. Remember, angel investing comes with risks, but getting in early on the right startup can lead to life-changing returns. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Freedom Hustle 1, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new investing opportunity. Let me know in the comments which sector excites you the most. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep hustling for freedom.